Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, if you don't mind, today we are going to be going into a scratch, and we are going to be making an awesome, amazing sort of sprite. So what we want to do is that you can either use this website, as I told you before in the videos, like everybody else, or you could go to the or you could go to the website, which I really enjoy using myself, to probably be honest with you. So what you want to do is that you want to enter a scratch.mit.edu. You're going to click enter. It's going to basically bring you up on a few pages. Sorry, I didn't mean to open Chrome. I don't know if it's like this for you guys, but for me, I like to use on my Microsoft computer. I like to use Microsoft better. So you can see some future projects, of course, some future studios, Doodle Studio, and you can see a lot of messages. You can sort of go into your messages, you can go into my stuff, and basically I have been working on a few things lately, and this is the color changer from last week. But today we are going to be creating a brand new thing, and we are going to be naming it the costume changer. The costume changer. So what this is going to do is that basically in today's video, we are going to be changing the costume of our sprite. So first things first, we are going to delete this as scratch since we don't need it. We are going to create a new tab, and we are just going to type in, I don't know, blocky cartoon figures. Blocky cartoon figures, and as you can see, we have a few of them right now. So right now what we are going to do is you can skip forward if you want to. What I am going to do right now is that I'm gonna upload a few of these blocky figures. Sorry, I am going to save this image as blocky. Okay, we're gonna save this image. Now we are going to open this up. I already told you you can go somewhere else if you want to. And we are going to be going into photos. It should pretty much open up our photos, in which we have a lot of photos, honestly, not gonna lie. We are going to scroll up and up, and we will probably like see this image coming up. We're going to click on this and then click on the background, and we are going to click on the remove option. Remove. And now basically, yes, apply. The background of the image is removed. We want to save as a copy. It basically should do this now. Yes, we want it to be named blocky, and also something else. We want to delete the O. And actually no, I am going to click on upload sprite, and I already have two blockies which I like to open. Blocky number 1 right here, and the other blocky, okay, file name blocky, okay, and then also, okay, so the problem is I just realized that I can only upload this one. Oh my goodness, it's really hard doing this, but you know what I'm gonna do? I am going to not even mind about that. I'm going to copy that, sorry. And then we are going to paste it over again 3 times. We are going to do this one the normal blocky. This one we are going to make the spotty blocky. So basically we're going to add some spots lighter than the original blocky. So basically you could pattern do it however you want to. I want to add some spots for blocky just to decorate them up a little. I feel like this is the best decoration we could do this far. So yeah. Okay, so now that we decorate a little, we're gonna go to this costume. Just the same, except this one, we are going to do lines. Oh, whoops, sorry. We are going to do thick lines. We don't want those sort of lines. Whoa, we don't want this line either. Okay, so as you can see, you can edit it into however you want it to basically be. I want to edit it sort of my way, this way, which is a slow process, but you'll get used to it eventually. Because I am a very picky person and I like to show you guys through most of the things that I do throughout my videos, which is sorry. Which is why you might think that my life is boring, but it's not. Anyways, we are just going to go through. Okay, this is going to take a while. Okay guys, so now Blocky is done. Basically, I gave him 3 costumes, the normal original Blocky, the spotty Blocky, and this Blocky. So as you might have learned in the previous video, I am just quickly going to enter a code that we learned in the previous video. Don't worry, I'm going to link that video to this video. But anyways, let me just quickly do that setup. Okay guys, so basically you learned how to code this brightness of Blocky and all those sort of stuff in the other video, but if not, I'm going to quickly do a quick display. So basically we're gonna do this. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Okay, and now basically what this should do is that it should change the brightness of the block and the color of the block exactly like we hoped it would. Now we're just going to quickly move away from this code. I want to move down. I want to move down. I want to move down, 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 down. Okay, we're gonna quickly move down and move up. Leave you over here. Move down. I want to get away from this code. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna leave the code running right there. And now we are going to do, I also made a variable named the pattern of Blocky. So how I make these variables, you might ask, is that I make the variable, of course, you click on make a variable, enter the variable name, and then click OK. And then it should make you a variable. So you should probably see your variable over here. You are going to right click it, and it'll bring you a normal readout option, the normal one, the large readout option, which is just a number, the slider option, which is the one we're going to be using, and the hide option, which you can basically make it show again by clicking this blue tick button. So we can also do something. We can change the slider range, which we are going to use. So basically we can change the slider range to any we want. So if we make the minimum value that, and the maximum value, for example, that, Now we have a minimum value of a maximum value of 10 and a minimum value of 1. Although we are going to do something else. We are going to change the slider range from 1 to 3. So this is what we are going to do. We have 3 numbers. We are going to put this pattern of blocky up here. This blocky is taking too much room. Okay, and forever, and do that, and then we are basically going to say we are going to give it this code. We are going to give it this piece of code, which in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so this is the code. So basically this code makes everything sort of come together. So the code at the top is for the costume to get switched. So what you're going to do is that you are going to go into the look section, into the switch costume section. You are going to drag it like I did. Then you are going to go to the variable section. You are going to click on pattern of blocky. You are going to drag it into this pattern of blocky section. Then you're going to add 3 if-thens, which the custom numbers, and then you're going to say if the custom number equals 1, which in my case, the custom number 1, basically the number 1 is a classic old one. The number 2 is a spotty one. And the number 3 is a liney one. So what I did is that I said if custom number equals 1, then say classic, I like it. If it equals 2, the spotty one, then say ooh spotty, and then say yes liney. So basically we're going to click on save our project, and like I said in the other previous video, if you're not signed in, the projects you make won't be able to get saved. So I would recommend to get signed in as quick as possible. Scratch is for all ages, so don't worry about your age. Now we are basically going to go to C project page and click on start. So basically now it's in the classic mode. We are going to change it to 2. Ooh, spotty. And then we're going to change it to 3. Gay, liney. And then we are going to change the brightness probably. We are going to change the color. Basically, perhaps I want it to be this. And without further ado, that is today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please like and sub, and see you guys later. Bye!